Now in this tutorial I will discuss about PHP global variables, Superglobals variable request, $_request. Okay, in our previous tutorial I have completed about PHP globals and servers. Okay, now request. So go to live. First open your gem control panel, start Apache and MySQLi. Okay, go to your folder directory, XAMPP, htdocs, edit with notepad++. Okay, it's a previous tutorial, just remove it. Suppose I write a request, I write it suppose and remove whole. Open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. Okay, so global variables $_request. Anyway, $_request, it's a global variable. Okay, super global variable. Anyway, first suppose make a form, HTML form. Okay, here write a form. Okay, here write a input. Suppose input type equal text, suppose name equal to username. I write it as example. Suppose placeholder equal to, enter your username. Here you need to write. I hope you already know about the input tag and HTML form. If you don't know, please check my HTML and CSS tutorial for beginners from my channel WCoderZone about input tag attributes, all input tag attributes, text, email, etc. Anyway, here just write input, suppose type equal to submit, suppose name equal to, I write submit anyway, and value equal to suppose submit. Refresh your browser, you can see a form, but here you need to write suppose action. We know about it. When you want to get the value in PHP, you need to write into the form attribute action, then method. Okay, parameter action, suppose action equal to, here write a PHP block. This is our HTML. Now we are writing a PHP into the HTML. Okay, you can see PHP block. You can see that we have write the PHP block this. Okay, so according this way, just here write PHP and here write $_server. Suppose $_server. I hope you check my previous tutorial about globals and server. Okay, $_server. Here just write PHP_self. Okay, this action will be this page. I hope you already know PHP_self. Sorry, spelling mistake, SELF, self. I hope you already know that why I am using PHP_self and how it works. Okay, I mean what is doing the PHP_self. It will return the current file path index.php. You can see here htdocs / my first PHP project, then index.php. This will return. I mean this action will be this page. Okay, and for this I am writing it $_server PHP_self. If you don't know, please check my previous tutorial. You will get the link in video description. Okay, and here write suppose method equal to post. I write it. So here I write have a form. Here take a PHP block. Suppose here write if. Okay, if $_server. You already know about it. Okay, $_server and quotation where suppose write request, REQUEST, request_method method. If $_server, then third bracket, then here write request_method equal, then quotation mark, then here just write post. You can see request method, our request method is post. We have write in the form action equal to this page, and for this we are writing server PHP_self and method equal to post. Method will be post. You can see method equal post, and here you need to must write the capital letter post. Okay, if $_server request_method equal post, then get the value. Okay, suppose write our super global variable $_request. Okay, $_request, here the quotation, and here just write the field name which you want to catch. So here we want to catch the username, this field, input type equal to this field. I mean here your user, those are writing. Okay, you want to catch this value of this field. Okay, username, and for this just write here the input type, this field name, nothing else, type or others, must write the name. Okay, so here we have write name equal to username, and for this write here username, and you can write into another variable. Suppose I write username, you can write anything. Also here you can write if suppose your user sometimes may it clicks without giving information, they will click it. Okay, now it's showing error cause our working is ongoing. Okay, and for this, if your user is click the blank file, then it will return a error message. You can write here suppose username, it's have a built-in method. PHP, you already know PHP has more than 1000 built-in methods, so write here empty. If empty, then first bracket, then here just write this variable where you have assigned this value. Okay, username value, you have assigned this variable. So here just write if empty this variable, here will be echo a message. Suppose field must not be, suppose I write it as example. Okay, else if the field is not blank, okay, then you can echo, suppose I write it, you have submitted, you can concrete here suppose username. Okay, this username, you have submitted your username. Suppose now refresh your browser. Okay, you can see when you click here field must not be empty, you have assigned here field must not be empty, this message is showing, you can see. Okay, but if you write here suppose username equal to suppose PHP underscore developer, I write it, submit, you can see you have submitted. I hope you can see you have submitted PHP underscore developer, this our username where you have printed. Okay, you can see, I hope you can see PHP underscore developer. So $_request especially used for receive the value of form. Okay, you can see $_request. We have write a post method equal to post. So I hope you understand that how to work with PHP Superglobals variable $_request. I am summarize the again that you can hear the form. It's our HTML form. You can see action equal to this page will be action. Okay, suppose if I comment out this, our whole PHP script, if I comment out this and if I echo this message and comment out this, suppose remove it, you can see it's written the PHP underscore self project then index.php, it's written the your current script file. Okay, so I hope you understand. Also you can check my previous tutorial. Anyway, just remove it, and also we have mistake it, just here write echo. Okay, you can see field must not be empty or username is printed, you have submitted the PHP developer. I hope